Welcome to Today in Indian History, a daily dive into the captivating tales and pivotal moments that have shaped India. The Dandi March, spearheaded by Mahatma Gandhi, started on 12 March 1930. Covering 385 kilometers in 24 days, Mahatma Gandhi and his followers marched from his Sabarmati ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi, a coastal town in Gujarat, to protest the British monopoly on salt production. By breaking the salt laws, they challenged British authority and sparked a nationwide civil disobedience movement. The Dandi March symbolized non-violent resistance and ignited the spirit of independence among Indians. The enduring impact of the Dandi March resonates in India's history, symbolizing the power of peaceful resistance. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow as we uncover a new historical nugget each